Very good morning, students. This is Rahul Garg. Student, in the last class, we have discussed identities of irrational numbers, and today we will discuss how to find out root x geometrically and the rationalization. So, firstly, we will discuss how to find out root x geometrically. Before moving the question, we will simply discuss the procedure of root x geometrically. So student, if we want to find out root x, simply take the AB equals x. AB equals x. Now do BC, draw BC equals 1 unit and bisect AC and find out the center of AC, say O. If this is my center, then AO will be equal to OC equals x plus 1 divided by 2. This will be equal to this portion because we have find out the O as a center of AC. Now taking O as a center, draw a semicircle like this and draw a perpendicular on B which cut the semicircle at point D. If BD is my perpendicular on AC, it will meet at point D. Now this BD will be equal to root x. Why this will become root x? Let's derive this. If my AO and OC equals x plus 1 by 2, then OB will be equal to, if we want to find out OB, then OB will be equal to AB minus AB minus AO, and AB is x and AO is x plus 1 divided by 2. If we taking 2 as a LCM, then it will become 2x minus x minus 1 divided by 2. By taking 2 as a LCM, then it will become 2x minus x minus 1 divided by 2, and 2x minus x will x minus 1 divided by 2. Means my OB will be equal x minus 1 by 2. Now if my OA and OC equals x plus 1 by 2, then this is a radius and OD is also a radius. This is also equals OD, means OD equals x plus 1 by 2. Now by applying Pythagoras in this, as BD is perpendicular to AC, this angle will be 90 degree and Pythagoras will be OD square equals OB square plus BD square. Now by substituting the value of OD, x plus 1 by 2 whole square equals OB square. OB is x minus 1 divided by 2 whole square plus BD square. Now BD square will be x plus 1 by 2 whole square, and this will become minus whole square. By expanding this will become 2 LCM a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we solve, this will become x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square minus 1 minus minus plus 2x divided by 2, and this will be cancel out x square with this and minus 1 with this plus 1, and 2x plus 2x will become 4x, and here it will become 4 because 2 square is 4 divided by 4, and this will become x, means BD square will be x and BD will be root x. So to find out the root x, we just draw an AB equals x and then BC equals 1 unit, and taking O as a center of AC, draw a semicircle and draw BD perpendicular to AC, then BD will be equals root x unit. Now taking a question, if we want to find out the value of root 3.5 geometrically, then first draw a AB equals 3.5 and BC equals 1 unit. Now take the center of midpoint of A and C, means if AC is 3.5 plus 1 4.5, then my AO will be 4.5 divided by 2, means 2.25. See here, you can also use bisection method, line bisection. 2.25 there will be O, and by taking O as a center, draw a semicircle like this, and then draw BD perpendicular to AC. Here BD is root 3.5. BD will be equal square root of 3.5. If I am taking B as a 0, then by using a compass, draw an arc of radius BD. This will meet the point here at E, then BE also equals root 3.5. So simply draw a line AB and then BC equals 1 unit. Take the midpoint of AC and draw a semicircle, and then BD perpendicular to AC, then BD will be equals square root of that number. Now our second topic is rationalization. Rationalization means to remove the square root term in denominator. To remove the square root term in denominator. For example, if we want to solve 1 by root 3, here in denominator term my square root term is, so to solve this I simply multiply with root 3 both numerator and denominator. Now this will become root 3, and in the denominator it will become root 3 into root 3, 3, and this is root 3 divided by 3. And if numbers are, one number is irrational and second one is rational, and they are in addition or subtraction, then simply multiply with conjugate. Example, if 2 divided by 2 plus root 3. To remove this term, we will multiply both numerator and denominator with its conjugate. What is the meaning of conjugate? Conjugate means if here the symbol is positive, then takes its negative. So multiply both sides, both numerator and denominator with 2 into minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Now if you see here, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. There will be identity a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Means a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. And solving numerator, 2 into 2 4 minus 2 into root 3, this will become 2 root 3, and in denominator it will become a square minus b square. And by solving, this will become 4 minus 2 root 3. Here 2 square is 4 and root 3 square means 3, and 4 minus 2 root 3. 4 minus 3 will become 1 and this will become our answer. Here we first multiply both numerator and denominator with the term its conjugate, and then simply solve the term numerator and denominator separately. If there you see that an identity follows, then apply that identity or simply multiply both the terms. Take some example, like if in numerator is 2 plus root 3 and denominator here is 2 minus root 3, then how we will solve? To solve this, we just multiply numerator and denominator with its conjugate. The conjugate will be 2 plus root 3. Same in numerator, 2 plus root 3. If you see on numerator, this will become a plus b whole square, because a plus b into a plus b means a plus b whole square, and this will become a square plus b square plus 2ab. And in denominator, this will become a minus b into a plus b, which will become a square minus b square, means 2 square minus root 3 square. And by solving, you will get 4 plus root 3 square 3 plus 2 into 2 4 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 1, and this will become 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 root 3, and this is your answer. Thank you, students.